Hello! Today we're going to take a look inside the system and how to use the Ad Wizard tool. To access the Ad Wizard tool, you're just going to go to the search bar inside of the system and begin typing Ad Wizard. And then you can go to Ad Wizard in the navigation. Alternatively, you can also go to Marketing and then go to Ad Wizard. From here within the tool, you're going to have some more information on how to use it. And then to create an ad, you'll press the plus sign button. You can choose to create an ad for an open house, a new listing, a price reduction, recently sold, a general listing, an AVM, or a branded ad for you as the agent. So let's take a look at adding a new listing ad. The first step is the design. You can see here that the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add your listing. Once your listing is added, you can choose your target audience. So you're going to choose a radius of however many miles you prefer from the listing itself. Then you can pick a template. You can see here that there's a couple different options for how you might want your template to look. Most of the differences here are going to be in this just listed sticker up in the corner. Then you can choose to add primary text if you need to, but this is optional. You can also choose to change the headline and the description here on the ad. And then you can choose the link that you want this ad to send people to. So automatically it's going to give the link for the detail page of this listing. But if you want it to send to a different link, you can add that link right here. The next section is the details. So you can see here that you can choose the start date and the end date for when this ad is to run. You can also choose for it to show on Facebook, and you can see the estimated cost here is $36. It also shows you the estimated performance. So this ad is expected to have over 2,000 impressions, 139 clicks. It's expected to reach over 1,700 people with a click rate of 7%. And if all of that looks good, then you get to the final page here where you can choose to purchase this ad. It will give you the details of this ad, showing that your target audience is within 15 miles of this listing, when it begins and when it ends, a reminder of those performance expectations. And then you can choose to either save and pay later or to save and purchase this ad once you're done. These Facebook ads are posts that are going to appear on people's news feeds for anyone who is within the target audience of 15 miles from that listing. They do not need to be following you or your business page to see these ads. And the last thing here within the Ad Wizard is these three dots and the settings underneath of them. So the Settings tab allows you to choose keywords for your ads, or choose to turn on a call to action pop-up on your listing ads. This presents visitors with a basic form to capture lead information for you when those ads are sent out. You can also see automation. So you can come into automation and you can create a profile for an automated Ad Wizard account. So you can see here from creating a new profile, two options here are a just listed promotion, so it's $24 per listing. It automatically creates a Facebook ad that runs for 2 days when you get a new listing, or an open house promotion that automatically creates an open house Facebook ad when you get a new open house through the system. And this open house starts running 2 days prior to when your open house is to begin. When you've selected the promotion you want to use, you can use the pencil to set the parameters for what you will allow. So you can choose a max amount of weekly ads, and you can choose for the days that they're going to run. You can also choose to change that radius or to change the minimum listing price that ads are created for. So if you don't want any ads to be created for listings that are below $200,000, you can add that minimum listing price right here, and it'll only create ads for listings that are over $200,000. You can also choose for ads to only be created in specific categories and for specific statuses. And then you can also choose for these ads to come with a forced lead registration, which requires users to be sent to the site from these ads in order to register. And then once that promotion fits your needs, all you'll do is turn it on. The next option here under the three dots is performance history. You can come into this tool to see a performance history of all of your ads, and you can choose the date range here. It will show you your total number of ads, the reach rate, the impressions that they have made, the click rate, and the clicks in general. And then you can see here a breakdown of all of the ads. So you'll see the summary of what that ad was, the start date, the end date, and then all of those categories we mentioned above. You can also choose to pull out a CSV of this information so that you have that information in a spreadsheet. And then the last option here is to show your payment history. This is going to show you all of the ads that you've bought in the past, date, a summary, the method of payment, the status of that ad, what it was projected to be, and its completed amount. The Ad Wizard tool is another great tool within the system to get information out to people who may not have heard your name before.